How to fix 404 not found error in Google Chrome. A 404 not found error in Google Chrome indicates that the browser was able to communicate with the server, but the server could not find the requested page. So here is how to fix it. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Chrome, tap on the profile icon of yours at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you can see settings option available. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available there. Once inside the privacy and security, you will get to see the clear browsing data option available at the top. Simply tap on the option because if you clear the browsing data, then it might clear the browser cache and cookies with it. You can also change the time according to your preferences and tap on the clear data option available there. Now, once done so, go back to the settings again and again tap on the privacy and security this time. And once you tap on the privacy and security, you can see use secure option available there and it is toggled on. If your use secured network connection is not toggled on, then make sure to toggle that switch on. So that is it. Also ensure that the URL is entered correctly. Typos, missing characters, or incorrect slashes can lead to a 404 error as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.